Folks, imagine a 2-ton metal beast smashing itself on purpose just so it can teach us how not to die. That first punch is brutal, honest as a barn door, and right there is where engineers learn to save your hide. We strap in instrumented dummies that groan with hundreds of sensors, we light up 1,000 frame per second cameras, and we hit rails and barriers with uncanny precision. Every millisecond tells a story. Belt slip, airbag timing, how a knee bangs a dash. And that slow motion looks like chaos, but it's really careful schooling. From Vince and Larry teaching seatbelts to new female dummies getting their day in court, these labs turn spectacle into law and stars on a rating chart. Ain't glamorous, but every cracked bumper and calibrated sensor is a life bought back from the road. So next time you click your belt, thank the folks who smash stuff for science.